Yanshia money mama kwa baba Ghana TV one so. See share said ya na na se no ye de ma otwedi ampon. Se na den so aye ne pe na ye gusu a etenkwam. Na no ye de exclusive interview so kokra e de devlo. Na me ne prophet prophet ne de eya kamese. Wakeka Hollywood actors e di bebre na dia woso. Utimi friend Prophet Van Dal. Utimi friend Sofo Jack Chan. Utimi friend Sofo Arnold Schwarzenegger. O friend Jet Li Obejeso. And o friend Nicolas Cage so a. Eno so obeje so. Onene the only prophet o Ghana ha say a. Eba no butin pa ele tele kick dia oyo number 1. Ono na otimi twa obi tele kick. Ema na itimi enipa kro ni timi ro fa so 10,000 times. Sofo be ho asem na make. Prophet and also Reverend Benjamin Opoku Agyemang our da sorry and the Marvelous Lights Worldwide Chapel sa osofo pani no ono na nemenya ne nchen a mene ne betwetwe nkomo yes asa ne mrane senior act prophet o friend eno so a obeje wo so ajoa asatua osetitu edividi ententem na ye kwa prophet wo na ye ne na hye nkomo twetwe dase so for me wa kwa baso kokra
ya de na wiso hema what is saying
Yanko fad wola ose
everybody adumboko
enemi ro asere ma husem wosla na nwosla bia yede atobe so pa
nyame gusu ye na juma
e do twede ampanse pa sofo ye se eba no ntokwa open ntokwa e na ase wo saye attention seeker opese tambia ase nipa te wonka
me ntokwa me ni attention seeker so se ma asem ya meka wie me meka sa bi my cool nam timber be my sorry. And attention so the din ye obi dada. So it's not a thing ye pedi. It you know is that are they being koya we try our best just to put the wrong thing on the right track. I don't just say pay attention. Obi a only din obi a nim no pay attention. But e ka din na me ado me obi. And e ka frame so me obi. It me mpemfa na hwe. Di enya no kore.
Why nyame ni pay di pese hu say purpose and I say, but I been painting on Yankopon boy the bass as so.
But I ain't a media boy bass as he soon send better so. Yen nori, yen shas as you man, yen summono. And went never the boy.
Say, yen nole, Ocho when it's saying.
Or say, replenish, subdue, and multiply. That is the purpose and I made the bonipa. Now for your bass and mamma soon Yankopon, because he is our creator. And on the boy, we have every right, and God has given us the mandate to worship Him. Into say about sunyame, tini was as so.
The entire me busa sane say, "O share and some man and say wa down for a Obofour."
Nanka madam for.
Okay, nanka wa down for Obofour. Edebe tu jana o jana sorry them kind say. Yankopon boy basasi so say. Ye me pesika na ye mpe fame. Na okay nka atwa no so atwa no so me yete ase say. Ya ba da jamu na da jamu so ne besan de akọ enti ase asem no ode betu dwa na aye nan kakra e bese age view kakra wo
ma me mede wase me say e ya na tore bi ensem buwa na me bese meka bi because me be kan Ghana fo nya be sama no de akosi so na so but den no so nti ne yankasa sabi obi koto TV e de be bone dem a unsa ye wo man wa bi a na ehim e na wo hwe so de set TV no and who said we say TV ninya sa na obi koto mobile phone so ya na ye man we bi ehim ana ade hwe so operate mobile phone no okonkre mosumo mo ma no a ye fa ne Quran e do mo hwe so ade sumo mo som uko Buddhism Hinduism a omo books a omo hwe so de sumo mo som oba Christianity a yenso ye book sa na be ka no I find the Holy Bible, and you now wrestle at the sum yankopon as Christians. Now, so be a cassa. I am not about 1 person Magana 40 years and say, I was say a cassano, and I'm say Bible and a manwa. I assess with the sum yamintino. I was so be so a software. Now, some of Becano, they are in line on the basis I ask scripture. Now, go for this Obofour problem. Many people for anyhow. Me kwa kubo fona ni sem ni problem ba kwa kubo fona ni se so gina se ya so be kenko be kama dia chem that he knows me ya friends ya 90 for years right yeah come be pepe he knows me say me I'm one person as me be taking about 1,000 years of meka no me meka be agena be me untime mo me eba ye nya mema otimase
siamla ono na asem
na me de ba so ne say me be say me cry for the man for say me ni issue but you won sem bi sometimes you can sem bi just to trend fine you won sem be can trendy but I don't think say some statement you are you can trendy and you jokes
statement bit is say
ni dia ubisa me be ba so you won sem be betimi ya de bi ne be say trendy yetimi can say ne be say trendy it's part of ministry obi o yeso fu bia no ye publicity bia ni say one time was all the asem betum na trendy but en sem o kan ni asem ka trendy say ya mawiase say have been tin ye ba wiase ne mo ye ba wiase say ye be pesika ni ya be pe fame osofo nkasasa
e bin say nyame na yi de tre no
ana make me start free baby say ye wo manual ye di sum ye nyame and that is the Bible. Any basimi or say suffer bekabiano, you don't have to speak out of context. As some kind out of context as a suffer. So but that training and group of 4 person they trained there and they train where they want train. But wrong meat. As some kind way are disqualified to be suffer. He is totally disqualified. Suffer.
Disqualified, say.
What disqualified to be suffer? I was on what in why you reverend free so because on the reverend coming in was some home. Why about the reverend?
How say so the reverend.
Yes, suffer. Maybe your reverend am I say yashem suffer.
It will not the ensure suffer.
No, then you go for as a reverend. Omra out in front of credentials as a reverend mra. Pastor obi ani ni yasem. Obet be pastor.
It will catch su pain say on your reverend.
Qualified reverend no fatu no so kra na nko bia wode no na afa yanka wo de wawa de no reverend aso the reverend yanka hwe wasabe kan sem say wono say ye ba wiase be pedin ani sika enya heaven dia such statement disqualify him to be a pastor on yes shop what disqualify
when I would disqualify an assassin.
His own state Bible says by your words you shall be judged. When you must something that be for, when you must something that be bem. All right. So justification always comes from our own words. By his own words, I'm telling him he's disqualified. What disqualified to be a pastor? Why? Young guy, Matthew chapter 6, verse 31 to 33. Now, me check for said that statement. A trending statement, one of the trending, anyway, the money from Yango, young fan sending Yagro, Christos, somewhere you fap him. Sustainment, don't kind of what during the foundation of Christianity. You say, you assume Yamini walk heaven. Now, so for the catcher, I say, and you have Tina, Yamedia Berriasi, what Yaberia you may pesica. Now you may prefer more. Not just saying, I'm so my yes, from the first one also got me won't grab and yeah. And you had a mammy soon.
Tu say den tina sofo a wote se be mo ababonte aka nsem bi etisa
ka se bia ye kan nsem bi di trend by where they were it
wey trending ni bia
that's it because any man of God in his right senses are ya tetini free nya be sumu papa fie en kasase kan Bible no me
ya kan Awurade asem
tie
entimu mmemme say ade na ye bedi anase ade na ye be
entimu mmemme say ade na ye bedi anade na ye be nom aha anade na ye be fura
na yenum nyina echi
wedim nyina echi
na wiase amanama ni die
weni nyina echi na wiase amanama ni die ha
na musuro janim say ye nyina
musuro janim say we nyina hia mo
na monhwehwe Nyankopɔn yide ne tene kane
eti die na ye wen kane eye ba na emfem I am saying with all boldness we are disqualified to be a software. I am telling you.
You perceive who now disqualify na hono.
Say na numa sem so one na say. Was it more ready? More was so in here which is heaven. And I tell you I didn't pack heaven no can. To seek for heaven. I know the mountains are over heaven yeah. And they are returning near Brabo. Titiri ni abrabo na dini pakwa heaven. Mo was so ahimie. That is heaven. Anything na no kane. What you say? Enti ade a Yesu pese ahwe ne kane. Eye heaven and righteousness. And money and fame. Money and fame are vanity.
Sir, so for be so beka say na woni sika kra wontimi nsum nyame.
Mame, twa Bible no so.
Na wadi ye nyina beka ho
what you say it is all your son ne ten ne kan ni wi a And son and Yamina was already in the Cania. What the when you account. And you know, fame, money, and your bonus. What you must say? After seeking the kingdom of God and his righteousness first, then all these other things shall be added. The other thing that can be added, money, fame is included. And we don't bypass the heavens and the righteousness and seek for the other thing. Are you wrong? Where you are going for kind? You find the doctrine of Antichrist.
And which room we saying?
Are you Antichrist home? And he's trying to take away the mind of people from heaven, so that nipa be seeking for wealth and fame, ni forget heaven. Why? Because on why condemning.
It's a better na nyame nipa nyame adom wono so bonsam hu betime awura ne sa.
Now Judas Iscariot one day Jesus for. Judas Iscariot was a disciple. Only Jesus na ekoba or a treasure of the even church. Scarcely han won nche for a church to take somebody to be like a treasure. That is why you're trustworthy. Obi obetimi discuss machine and that was Judas. But bonsam timi bowra Judas mu. Ama Judas e ko trade ko ton Yesu di diska. Etim fans wo ye nyame nipa. Mo se wo ye nyame nipa, mo na mo say. Okay. And fa wo se mo se wo ye nyame nipa, bonsam betima wia no.
Etu do hu se nyame nipa.
Oh madam. Where my man can some chiro. One statement can disqualify somebody. Bible say yen ro so ani ne tene kan ya ken o de be kan ho. Wo so say yen nya wo so ani ne tene ne nto. Ni yen we sika ne fame. Enti wo ni nyamwa de ne yenka. Enka ye meya wiase ni mpo a wonye sofo mpo nka saa. Because yen nya so e Bible. Yesu ko no one promise ye fame and one promise ye money you. Ma nche wa de Bible. So for Bible ni hwa de. For Bible our John chapter 14 verse 2. Na me nche wa de a Yesu ko promise ye. Jesus never promised anybody fame and money. Ye wa de a Yesu promise yen. And when you need that, Yesu di ye. Ya medi Yesu ni because of fame and money. No, because of vanity. You can die one day and leave it. Nipa bia one day find the appointment time. Obia nya no appointment. Sa appointment no, they calling you dead. And the year ka say bia me appointment wait so after this time. Say me wuna me kwa ye de okaska what would ho? Near the okaska for ton sama yeren. E free to. Ya do dancer for ton sama e free to. Fame near the ton sama unfa nko ba bia. And what is fame and money? It
who jira na asem ya waka no so I don't say subu say onye nyame nipa na.
Why are disqualified to be also for me? Say why are disqualified? So for Kenyan can Jesus catch it. Yes, na kasa na walk on one promise you fame and money. Was it na be pi wo meje fie? Sentisa. Anka me go have me nka nkyere mo say. Me koma ko siese baby mama mo. Ko.
Na say me kona me ko siese baby mama.
Me kona me ko siese baby mama. Maba biem. Maba fama ko me nkyɛn ha.
Na de me wo no.
Baby me wo no.
Mo nso mo ba wo.
Mo nso mo ba wo. I want to yes promise here. So wo ko siesie heaven bia man. Wo wi obefa ya akɔ. Eti yete ye need that so ye heaven o. And no fame and money. What is fame and money? Fame and money who are bego? Fame and money be man kwa. Any matured sound scriptural God, man of God, will never say this. I'm telling you. Yes, one promise you fame and money. Yes, promise you heaven. Remember, me because I want money and fame. I am a team. I'm a gin. I'm a D. And some TC. Some 5 years. Some can imagine. Name me woman. Ya Zambia. Palma me cry. The reason why I'm a Christian, not also war. I'm a Christian is because I'm expecting to go to heaven. Any other thing I bet you free heaven will be a devilish. That statement that Obofour made, say any fame a devilish. That time, no, I think some kasafani. That is it.
Yeah, let me follow Facebook akra. Now so the to just say as a amount for and also be a hacking accounts. I don't know who obia and also su obia obetime dis abone na na
omo hacking ya no omo ya yi funny say omo send me message
if no hacking and send
me message omo send me message say omo hacking me Facebook bot na me video na me pa reverend Obofour achew me video pa reverend Obofour achew ente sa omo ko for videos bo mo ba be gu agumani ma say na me so me dem insuro video back pen had two internet make me mass and the main fanasem so but some no bed say no be na me da me na me ntemasem I don't call video be two internet I can make a crabby for just a day but beside I don't know what do you make a video between internet and be a baby it was so Obofour and a tie wing nation master your mother bremen on a man castle no but almost sending master and still on my phone.
Unim say unyini say bin so obi nso betimi ayesa said the bear and tokwana da one
the reason why men push it further so people can be behind it and try to just know something in was to be use no engineering know what I mean some but by the grace of God yet me retrieve in the back me on Facebook no say me ko bebre bibia will be some no pretty me ko I'm just going to do live and I'm just going to post because me a busy man is just wait of time you know obi no operating me Facebook ni bibia I don't even go there recently. Omo yan say my Facebook phone me. Okay. Na me bese be ko bi. Sanity. Okay,
yan hwe ebia me we bet me a final question. Ebia enne Reverend Obofour aba wonchen. No asimi nua be ma madamfo. Ebia wantwe aba yentemu nyina. Yemfa nto onom ne yen settle naja. Ye old friends ne yen sa me bie ma. Wo be pese bibisa be koso ana.
Me ne ni asem o. Ne niam bi na me ne nya adwen. Ni some can be the man in Yadri.
By Sassan, like how bet me and who could na and aka.
Menen in Yadri, baby, or back as I'm to one of my margin. Ghana, you freedom of speech. What am I saying? Menen Bessia airport, a bit made in common. We are cool. I am go over this idea, Benty, your problem. Near my bin, I'm a free circle, Obofour go too far. So, but just saw them. Nasa, none with me, now, train. This is foolishness. We just saw them. Nipa guana be yes it's stupid. It's foolishness.
Say be oye dey to na so ma for ne fo.
On camera, on TV. Mpani for hwe. Enkura hwe. We no ti ase. Do you understand it? A pastor, a priest, a man of God stand on the pulpit with crowd. Untimi no ire na train. It's part of church. This go cry anyway.
Oh, so where they mean who bani be a
mama, the purpose is not for foolishness. Man, yes, sir. Oh, yes, and I'm fool. There's places that we can do some things not in the pulpit. The pulpit is where God descends to speak to his people. I had to maybe I think you find the holy place. You find altar. What you say? You can't stand here and say foolishness. These are the things that I don't agree with him. But I don't know just a minute was him.
Into friend any dim command.
Oh, yeah, busy. You see, I put a didn't come. Some of they come here, conquer, you bet me, you bet me didn't come. But me, go across Tuesday, make a sort of be a Wednesday, because for so you're not sort of. There's no time, but when we get time, we will talk. I want the world to know, so I do not have any problem with Obofour, but I do not agree with him on some things. On Sunday, you may be, and you're fine.
My son, the only thing I'm doing is catch since I go about social media. The social media, that's all go too far.
Maybe a teacher one year, son. The social media and match your margin. Now, Ghana for the Yanti can be a memoir. You're free so big channel, I will know you are some. I was saying, Nini. I'm people and this in talking now because we have a channel and this. Obi channel and this year. I don't just want young people near town for. You begin to you have different mindset, you have different opinions. Obi our nadine. Two guys and Obi channel or Basha or Lambashua. I don't just owe you an enemy. Obofour me enemy. Hey, Major D. One day, Penama done it here. Said one day, Penama done in sorry beam. One day, pay a bomb mente. One day, pay nine me who you are beam. One day, Penosu who you are beam. At the end, yeah, baby, missing women, town, where you are, baby. I say my mind and I say things that they are. I don't have any problem with him. It's imagine I make coming in and yard, make country them. Once, period. I do not have any issue with him. On your enemy. My enemy, any bonsam. Bonsam grand enemy. What about say? I am really source for God, and that is my core, that is my business. When you don't agree with him about some things, it doesn't make us enemies. I am conformed to accurate, and I get time, and I'm a prophet in Pewasam, Mentano. Menene nyadwe, machere madwe. me madwen ma kire me kire so firi Bible and then your man wa de wo ye ne scripture la me ka chen say de wo kan wo yakọ out of context detia eno ano no
ofana wes ana futo bi ade ma asofofo aba no pese o kan bibi kire o se de be hye o mu nkran menya medwuma no mo beye no maye niye
ma me asem apena me didi asofo yente ase say obi our one appointment, and the appointment is appointment of death. Nipa biya no betima skip that appointment. Obi appointment time betima so. Biya me dia be sonde, wo dia be so china. Osofo biya mfa ntu ntrim sa wo ye den. The appointment of death, you can't run away from it. Bebra beji di oma uko. Bebra benye ska benya dom oma uko. Se oma appointment time so ye no. Oma ntima ndoji a. Also for also to dodgy. But the question is, so appointment time so na ba mo wo be fa na ko gina me anymore. Akonta be na bebu. Akra do say na watwa ma Nyankopon. Say na be ka che Nyankopon. Eno ne ade aye nwe no. Say you dwene sa ade we hu a, you were so desperate to win souls for Christ and to live godly life. Said the be ya appointment time no so a, ne ko gina me anymore. E ba de be hwe aka che say mo akwapa no kwafo wodi kaka hu no kore everybody show bia medas
so for medas fa obachi ni pamira na me se bia mai
mechia marvelous light in sorry menina mechia sofo gina sofo forsen mechia no sofo Martin sofo Eric mechia sofo nyina everybody show bia mechia kwakubofo osofo kwakubofo onya reverend o sofo kwakubofo osofo hunter obomofo mechia no bibiri eno ano
so for me that se fa be that se say onye ho bre no watimi ame ni wadi sa nkoma nyina aha na brebe makwa me de nkomo twetwe ni nyina asi se de medika kai ne ye ne Reverend Benjamin Opoku Agyemang ayes ne samman yandan ye bonem na ne senior act prophet ono na ye ne etwetwe nkomo no na nsam no de waka mebre na ba ko kan ye me de ne se wosimo amususu jagum se woni Reverend Obofour entokwa na woso oni ni ntokwa bia ento besrema se jana masuso de agum wosrema munyai ye di dwumadie ni ACSA adwoa asantoa osetitu enemy I'm out.